Hey cats, what's happening? Happy Saturday! Itchy, the newly retired guy, and I are headed off to a vintage peddler festival, and it's pouring rain.
Pouring down rain. As she said, I am officially retired. Well, I don't have to go back to work. I'm using up some vacation time, and then my official retirement's coming up, but still, no more work for this guy.
Well, at least not going to work for someone else. Now the work you do is for us at home.
Absolutely. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm glad we're not camping today. This weather isn't fit for... I don't know. Our Hemi's pretty nice, though. We'd be pretty comfortable in there.
Yeah, but you're stuck inside. You can't go out by the campfire. It's just... This is duck weather.
So where are we going today now?
We're going down to Butler, Ohio to a vintage peddler festival. So vintage means to me like antiques.
Yeah. And I would assume a lot of the stuff should be tented in, you know, waterproof.
We'll find out.
Confinement of some sort, but...
it's the same place that they hold the Prairie Peddler Festival, which we've been to that.
So we have umbrellas, though, so, you know, and it's summertime, so it isn't like it's ice cold rain or anything.
Right.
A little bit of rain isn't going to melt you or hurt you. So. And then the weather showed that it was dry down there.
It's about an hour from where we are.
Yeah, so heading south, we're still looking at drier weather down there. We got the rains up here, but hopefully we'll have a decent day.
Maybe it won't even last.
Well, it rained almost the whole way down here, and now the road's kind of dry, but we've got just a few little sprinkles, and I think this is right on the edge of the front of the most of the rainstorms, so we're almost there. This is kind of very country driving. Should be right up here on the right somewhere, if I remember right.
Every time you want to take a picture, somebody comes walking through.
I know. Unbelievable. It is like pouring down rain, and luckily we brought umbrellas, because that's the only way we stay dry. There's a lot of people here that don't have umbrellas, and they're all hiding in these shelters. This one is kind of abandoned. You see some of them up this way are closed. In the summer, this is where they have the Prairie Peddler Festival, so it's all of these booths are loaded with different vendors and stuff, but this particular show, I guess more antique and crafty stuff, so only about half of the place actually has vendors, and so we came down here where there's nobody just to stay dry for a few minutes.
You know, when you hang with Itchymoche, he always knows how to show a girl a good time.
Now wait a minute, whose idea was this?
Can you hear how
We pulled into the motel in the middle of the night.
Yeah.
We were we pulled into the motel in the middle of the night.
Same. I think that's the eat it all. It's a different type of
It's raining again.
Raining. Sprinkling.
So we place the whole card together with the whole card and create the illusion of a spot.
So we're just hanging out here waiting to see who Daniel Colby is from American Pickers. She's doing autographs. So this is she's supposed to be over here. And this is the line. So no, we're not in line, but we're just waiting to see who she is because we don't really watch American Pickers.
We used to.
We've watched it a couple times, but she's already like 10 minutes late.
Maybe one of them's one's name is Shipping, and the other one's name is Ham.
Yes.
I like it.
It's so cozy in here. Oh, this is cute.
What a mess.
Well, you know, they say mud is good for your skin. It takes out the impurities. So I guess I'm going to have the softest feet ever. This was shoe sucking mud. I'm walking and my shoe was sucking off.
It's so muddy. I mean, luckily we're parked on this hill here. So I think I can just back up, swing around, go right out. But I mean, up here, people were getting stuck. There are ruts up there so deep in the mud.
And it's going to happen again tomorrow, so we're glad we came today.
Yeah. So we're on our way back out, heading home.
We pulled into the motel.